Are you using WordPress and not integrating drip into your blog yet? Do you know how easy it is to track the visitors on your blog and find out how many pages and what type of pages they are visiting on your blog? Well, it's true. You can do this, but what's really amazing is how easily you can set this up. Hi, my name is John, and we are going through a series on drip. If you stay with me to the end, I'm sure you'll be a pro using drip. So in my videos, I do encourage you to get your free 14-day fully fledged trial so you can follow along with me and you can begin testing out the features as well. So let's go ahead and dive in and take a look at how to integrate your WordPress blog with your drip account.
Okay, so we're here in our dashboard here, and what we want to do here to get into this is go directly over here to the three little dots, select my account, and when this thing loads up, scroll down to the ID account, which is right there, copy it, and then head over to your blog. Once you're signed into your blog, obviously this is my blog, not yours. Haha. You want to go over here to the keyword thing and you want to type in drip. What's going to show up is right here is a plugin for WordPress from drip. Now obviously I've got this already activated, and what you want to do is click on the install button, and once it's installed it'll have this button that says activate or active. Click the active, and that's going to make it active on your blog. From there, you're going to go over into the settings and into drip, which is where you're going to paste the account ID that you had down there. You're going to paste that right here. Click Save Changes, and now you're tracking everyone that visits your blog, whether they're subscribed to you or not. Because if you if you're tracking somebody that is a non-subscriber, when they become a subscriber, they're going to also have this data put into their tracking, so that you know what kind of things you can already start telling them, the things that they want to find out more about, sending the right message. So this is very powerful, and if like I said in the beginning, if you haven't added this to your blog, your WordPress blog, whether you're on drip or not, most of these email systems do have the ability to track on your blog as well as their email system. If they don't, head on over to drip and click on that link in the description that I have and get your 14-day free trial. So I encourage you to listen to this next video, where I'm going to talk to you a bit more about adding drip forms into your blog and how do they react, and the different things that you need to know about drip forms. I think it's quite exciting stuff. We're starting to see some excellent progression, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.